YouTube. This is my first makeup basket for 2018. This is the week of January the 7th. So happy new year to everybody. I'm going to jump in. My basket is a little bit different. I picked up a new basket from IKEA. So everything is in here. My lipsticks are in my lipstick holder, so I'm going to set those back on my table when I'm done. But I'm going to go, that's my phone. I'm going to go through what I have in my basket. It is going to be random in no particular order whatsoever. And since I have my lipsticks on the top, or lip covers on the top, I am going to show you those. And the first thing I have is like a set of the Tarte Lippy Lingeries that I got with as a Christmas, one of the Christmas sets. So they look like this. Pretty. I like the tops on them. And then these are what the colors are. So this one is Delight. This one is Desire. It's kind of hard to show you because I'm not that close. This one is Enchanting. This one is Enticing. And this one is Lacy. And if you want me to do like a separate video on these, I don't even know if these are still available anymore. They might be on the Tarte website. But if you want to know what these look like on my lips, let me know and I can do a quick video to show you what they look like. I also have thrown in here just one of these $1 e.l.f. super glossy lipsticks to go over top of another like lip color if I wanted it to. And I think this was like in the color golden. Yeah, just in the color golden. So just a e.l.f. lip gloss, one of their $1 lip glosses. Alright, and I have from Mally, and this came in one of the auto deliveries that I had from Mally. And this is one of her Inspire Me lipsticks, and it's in the color Demure. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is what the lipstick looks like. So it's just a nude lipstick. There it is. So it's just a nude lipstick. So this and Chestnut is going to be a combo. I have from NYX one of these soft matte lipsticks, and this is in the color Escape to Old Country, and it looks like that. I have also from NYX one of their super clicky matte lipsticks, and this is in the color Conform, and it looks like this. Let's see if I can. So that is the super clicky and Conform. I have two of the Julep. This was like a lipstick duo from the holiday, one of their holiday collections. And these are called the Ultra Hydrating Lip Glosses. This one is in Queen. So this is Queen. And then this one is Vibes. I will show it to you on the side. This is Vibes. This is the one I wear most of the time because it's super neutral. I also have one of the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Colors, and this is in the shade Seduction, and it's just a nude. There you go. So I have that, and then I have the Rihanna something glow, Fenty Glow lip gloss, which pretty much lives in my purse, and I store it on just whenever without thinking. If I want to moisturize my lips, I throw it on. If I want to use it as a topper, I throw it on. Also, we're going to do the foundations. I pulled out the e.l.f. No, this is just the oil-free foundation with, it has SPF 15 in it. So I have this, and it is in the color Cocoa, I think. Yeah, it's in the color Cocoa. So I have the e.l.f. foundation that I haven't used in a while, so I wanted to pull it out this week. I have the It Cosmetics CC creams, and I mix deep and rich together. So I have these two, and I have put a serious dent in the two of these. I have another little lipstick living down here, and this is, I may or may not wear, because this is a red lipstick. But this is a little mini, like a sample of the Bite Amuse Bouche, I guess that's how you say it. And this is in the color Gazpacho, which is a pretty red color. So I may or may not wear that. It depends on how I feel. Eyeshadow palette, and this is random. Eyeshadow palette, the Saharan 2 by Juvia's. And I have that on my eyes today. But it looks like that. This one jumped out at me. I was like, what am I going to put on my eyes today? Like, I have absolutely no idea. Nothing was appealing to me. And then I opened this up and it was like, oh yeah. So that's the Saharan 2. I have a face color palette from Bare Minerals that I've had for a while. And this one is called the Headliners. This is the packaging, and it was one of those like kits from QVC that came with like the bag that matched this. And these are what the colors look like. So you have like 2 blushes, and you have a highlighter in there. So we're going to use that. And with that same collection, they had a little eyeshadow trio, and this one is called the Mood Makers. And just 3 very neutral, very wearable eyeshadows. I have, which my husband got me for Christmas, the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo, and I have it in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. This is what the packaging looks like, which is completely upside down. And then this is what the shades look like. This thing is not the easiest thing in the world to open, but this is what the shades look like. They look more blushy to me on my skin tone than they would be a highlighter. But so we're going to use those. I have a Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush in the color Toasted Almond. So I use that. My Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark from MAC. I pulled out, which I was like, I just threw away a whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to do another video of the palettes that I'm letting go. I threw away like a huge, like one of those contractor bags full of like makeup and stuff from my room that I just had to get rid of. But I decided I wanted to try and use this before I let it go. And this is the Sephora plus Pantone Universe. This was when Marsala was the color of the year. So this is the Cheek Trio. And this is what it looks like. The colors were so pretty. I didn't want to let that go, especially that blush. And I have that blush on today. And it is really pretty. So I'm going to be holding on to this one. I also have a blush palette from Juvia's Place, the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And it looks like this. And I actually have both of these, and I find I can wear both. Even though this is geared towards lighter skin and the other one is geared towards darker skin, I can use both of them. Thank God, because I'm with both of them. And I also have the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit, which had been just sitting sort of like I had it on display on my makeup table, so I decided just to go ahead and use it. instead of holding on to stuff for decoration. I have 2 mascaras. One is not quite open yet, and I may not open it this week, but I have it anyway. This is like one of my favorite Bare Minerals mascaras, and it's their Flawless Definition Volumizing Mascara. And I like it because it has that regular Christmas tree brush that I like so much. And it really does make my lashes feel like they are volumized. You should like see the mess that is going on in my lap. Everything is getting ready to fall. And also one of my favorite Tarte mascaras, and that is the Tarte Gifted mascara. And I have, which I don't know if I'm going to use, but I just like got this in a auto delivery. Which 2018, I'm getting rid of all the auto deliveries because those things pop up when you don't expect it. But this is one of the Effortless Airbrush highlighters from Mally, and it was a color that I hadn't seen before in her airbrush. This is in the color Sunrise. I had like the other two, but this one is different because it's like cooler. So it goes with like a cooler makeup look, if that makes sense. But like you can see, that is what it looks like on my hand. It is really pretty on the skin. So I pulled this out just in case I decide to do like a cool makeup look, that I have a highlighter for it. The last thing I have in here was a Christmas gift from my son. And dang it, hang on for one sec. This piece of plastic that comes in here is a bit of a mess, so I'll pull it out. But it is the Morphe 39A Dare to Create. I was very happy to get this for Christmas because I really wanted it. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love this palette. And I love the formula of the eyeshadows as well. So that is going to be my main palette for the week. And then the Juvia's. Hoping for a good makeup week this week. Then I'm dropping all my makeup on the floor. Thank you all so much for watching. And have a great day. And I thought that I would start doing like little quotes at the end of my videos. I'm like trying out different quotes until I find one that sort of suits my channel. But the one that I liked for today said, may your day be as flawless as your makeup. That might be my little slogan for the end of my videos, like my little slogan for my channel. May your day be as flawless as your makeup. Thank you for watching. Bye.